Hi, it's Carol Beringer, and welcome back to the Amazing Movement podcast. And I know we're all pressure prompted through our days. So I just want to share you something brief that has really helped me, especially through the holiday season, because I call it wrapping back or cooking back, but we just get so tight. So this is just a couple simple movements that will help you all year long that you might be able to fit into your morning routine or your day. So we're just going to lie on our backs, and I call this butterfly slide. You're going to make this little diamond shape with your hands and put it on your belly, your thumbs at your belly button, your fingers are where mom said never touch in public, and the butt of your palms are your hip sockets. And you're just going to open your knees, slide your legs long, turn the knees to the ceiling, and drag the heels in. Now, the important thing is to keep contact with the feet on the mat or the floor or wherever you are on your bed even, because if you pick them up, you're using the front of the legs, and we're trying to help the back of the body. And then reverse that. Just 3 is fine. Just push out, open the knees, pull the heels towards your tailbone, and pick the knees up. So it's circulating your femur in your hip socket, and it's moving a lot of parts of your pelvis and the muscles, tendons, ligaments, and fascia, which there are tons of in there, just so they get lengthening and shortening so that they're getting flexibility and strength at the same time. Next, we're going to go into a combination that'll help the upper body along with it. So we start with knees and feet together, arms long at the side. And then as we open the knees, we just take the arms back overhead on the inhale and exhale, pull back in. And so you want to be careful not to let your whole rib cage pop up. You want to try to keep some body control and just open, but let everything still be settled and heavy into the mat. And I like the number 7, so I go for 7 because we have a muscle memory at 6 seconds. So I throw in an extra something at 7 just for good luck. So join us again next week for a magical movement moment.